Alright guys, so this is nice and hard, cured for 24 hours. So let's demold and see what we got. Now I used the purple and black, so let's see what it looks like. Sorry about taking it out of frame there for a minute. It's just a little hard to get out this morning. Alright, so this is the back side. It's more black than anything else. You can see some of the purple, but on the inside, I think it turned out really nice. It's really pretty. The black and the purple in there. So that's what we got. We're gonna make some new stuff soon. Waiting for some molds to get here. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share, comment, and if you're interested in anything that I make, it's all for sale on my website, theresinnerve.com. So I will see you for the next one. See you, bye.